Hello everyone. Today I want to welcome on this call Mrs. Preeti Pandidkar. She has done her engineering in plastic from Bagubai Polytechnical College and she started her career in designing. As lockdown happened, she met some ladies from BMC and she started manufacturing pads for them. From there, her business in sanitary pads started. Currently, she is manufacturing premium quality pads in collaboration with IITN and her another manufacturer at Bhiwandi. So, Preeti ma'am, thank you for having me on the call with you for this wonderful your startup of sanitary pads. That is a sustainable sanitary pads, ma'am. So, thank you
Yes.
so much, ma'am. And the very first question which is going to come to you, ma'am, how important it is to use 100% sustainable pads?
If you have seen in papers and on social media, nowadays ladies are wearing this all traditional pads they are using, and they are mainly made up of plastic. And the gum and other material that is being used as a sap sheet, they are not of that quality, and they cause very harmful diseases like irritation and rashes. And many of the ladies they also suffer from cervical cancer because the gum that being used in these sanitary pads, traditional sanitary pads or plastic pads, is very harmful. It contains lots of harmful chemicals. So ultimately, they travel in our uterus, and then we are having cervical cancers. If you know, then on social media you might have heard almost 15 to 20,000 ladies per year they just die because of the cervical cancer because they don't find any cure for that.
Okay.
So that's why then while I was manufacturing pads for BMC ladies, I thought of this factor and many other factors I studied. And then I decided if want to manufacture or I want to do business in this, I'll go for biodegradable sanitary pads. And from there, I searched for it, and uh, I was just looking for it from where I'll get this material. And then by grace of God, it happened that I crossed IITians from Delhi. They are all scientists, and I'm working with them to develop sustainable sanitary pads.
That's a great
So,
journey and that's a very great start, ma'am. Ma'am, so what are what are the materials used in this 100, person sanitary pads? Because you say that it is not harmful for our body. So what are the
yeah,
materials which are used?
there are certain layers there. The top sheet is of viscose material that is being used for our clothing, and the bioinsert sheet or sap sheet that is being made from tapioca starch.
Okay.
That is we make sabudana, if you know
Yeah, yeah.
sabudana. That
Yes.
starch is being used for as a starch or sap sheet, and biodegradable pack sheet, which is again it directly doesn't contact in our inner part, and yeah, and butter paper for
Okay.
transferring gum. So all these are biodegradable, and rather I'll say these pads after using, if we discard it within 190 days, it gets mixed with soil.
Wow.
And all our testing are being done at IIT Delhi, and we have our company name registered over there also
Wow, that's a great thing, ma'am.
for all this testing.
And so how do you differentiate yourself with menstrual cups and tampons which are, easily available and people switching to it?
Mm, there is a rather I wouldn't say in that awareness what needed is there in our society. Now there is people are means it is not being made aware on social media that menstrual cup should be used by married women because of intimacy. They have vaginal tract that is loose. It is not suggested for girls, especially school going girls or college girls. But there is no awareness because of ignorance and because of I don't know, but somehow these college girls are using it. Very few, but still they are using it, and they are not aware of the harmful diseases that may cause to them. Very first is silicone, that is plastic that is being used for menstrual cup manufacturing, and there is no any governing body that ensures that whatever silicone is being used, that is virgin material.
Okay.
It is suggested that silicone cup should be made, a menstrual cup should be made from virgin silicone, because it is going in our internal part.
Correct.
And to use it, we need to sterilize it for 20 minutes in boiling water.
Okay.
So you have to boil it for 20 minutes in water and then you have to use. But I don't know how many those ladies who are using this, they are aware of this thing. And even drying it and using it, and I don't know the environment they are in. Is it possible for them for to boil or to sterilize it and to store it properly after complete drying? Otherwise, it stinks.
Oh.
And as you go on using, every month you will be using.
Correct.
So every time you have to sterilize it, and it may ooze out some chemicals. They are not good for our health. So again, it is right reason for our cervical cancer.
Okay.
It may not, because after certain period, after certain time of boiling, that elasticity that has it loses and it becomes brittle. So very minute particle may come out of this cups, and they may remain in our part, and then there are chances that we can get such harmful disease. So that is also one of the reason. And another, tampon are made of say wooden cotton. They are cotton buds.
Correct. Yeah. Cotton
Mainly they
buds.
are
Correct.
cotton buds, and they are tied with that some threads.
Threads. Yeah.
Yeah. And that there is gauze piece also. Again, that when we use it, when girls use it, the tampon doesn't know this is blood and this is moisturizer that is needed there in vaginal tract. So it dries out the whole tract, and that minute cotton pieces, they may remain inside. That may again cause some irritation, some harmful diseases. Again, that is the reason for diseases.
Correct.
So why
Yeah.
to take all these risks and use all this? Better we use
Yeah, but then
pads.
nobody is talking about it. Nobody is creating
Yeah,
awareness. Nobody's...
that is the issue. Actually, that social awareness is not there, and we need to talk
Yes.
really means in detail, and we must teach, or we must bring that awareness among girls, especially those who are in school, those who are in colleges.
Correct.
So that social awareness is needed over there, and I that is my actually prime motto, that women should be made aware of their
Correct.
internal this or menstrual health,
Yeah.
especially
Correct. Yes.
how they what they are using and how they are using and how they are treating themselves, that they should be made aware, because many of the times it happens that I'm suffering
Yes.
every month, I'm suffering, but I know that I'm suffering, but I'm not aware of why it is happening. I take it granted, अरे every month ना ये तो होना ही है, ये तो मुझे खुजली तो होनी है, मुझे ये यूरिन इन्फेक्शन तो होना ही है बिकॉज ऑफ दिस. लेकिन अगर ये हो रहा है तो इस पे क्या उपाय है, क्या व्हाट आर द सॉल्यूशंस? वी नेवर ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट,
Correct,
एंड
ma'am.
नोबडी इज देयर टू टेल यू एवरीथिंग एनीथिंग. सो दैट इज द रीजन कि अवेयरनेस आना बहुत जरूरी है.
So true, ma'am. And we are having this session for the same, ma'am, so that, we make more and more people aware of it. And if they have any questions, obviously they can text you or they can comment on your LinkedIn profile, and, you can
Yeah,
answer the queries.
yes.
So, ma'am, one more question I want to ask you, that as you were talking about the, biodegradable, when you dispose it off. So
Yes.
when I was talking to you last time, you said the cover which is made up of, that is also biodegradable. So
Yes.
how do we just dispose the pads?
Yeah. Actually, the packing I gave, that is again biodegradable plastic pouch it is.
Okay.
And it has shelf life of 6 months, 6 months to 1 year. And
Okay.
after that, it automatically starts degrading itself. So once after using that pad, while disposing it off before disposal, just wash off the blood because that blood is very fertile and there are a lot of chances, or I will say 100% chances that immediately bacteria will develop and they will reproduce. Their reproduction will be very high and they may travel and they may cause damage to our environment. So better you wash it off, the blood, and then you dispose it off in
Correct.
that plastic pouch itself and just discarding that dustbin or whatever it is that you provided. So if with that pouch and that pad, they will get mixed in soil within 190 days, leaving no harmful chemicals or no harmful effect on either on ladies that is using these pads or to environment or to our mother earth.
Yes, ma'am. That's, a
And
wonderful, very wonderful thought that you want to go, from zero to the last end. Everything you want biodegradable. Some of my viewers would be very puzzled knowing why am I having this Zoom session with you. I just want to tell everyone that the reason why we are connected is just because that Preeti ma'am has contacted me for the packaging because I am
yeah,
into
for that,
sustainable packaging, and that is the reason why we are
yeah,
collaborating together. And I wanted to have this awareness from her how she's taking this ahead.
yeah, because see, I want to go 100% biodegradable. Then why not packaging? Why my packaging should be plastic? So I was actually looking for it, and by grace of God, you met me. So I just
I am
made,
lucky,
and
ma'am.
it
I'm
was
lucky
my
to
thought.
have you on my clientele
Yeah,
list.
it was my thought that I was always looking for this biodegradable packaging, and the way I wanted, you have it. So it's nice to meet you, and I'm looking forward to collaborate with you.
Great, great.
Definitely.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Same here. I'm also very eager to make your packaging, go all around the world over here. So, ma'am, I want to ask you what products, apart from pads, what else do you do? What else do you have in your list?
Yeah, panty liners are there.
Okay,
Then I'm coming with maternal pads.
okay,
They'll be same like menstrual, means regular pads, sanitary pads, but with higher soaking capacity and higher length. That will be 35 centimeter of length and 10 centimeter of width. And it
okay,
will be very light, and they won't be like plastic pads that are available in market for maternal pads.
okay.
Maternity. So they'll be again light, and there'll be there again no harmful chemicals, nothing.
You
I'm
are
getting
very, yeah,
sorry. Yeah, many of the suggestions that why don't you use fragrances or in that. I want to confirm that whatever fragrances I'm going to use, they should be organic. I'm
correct,
looking for it. If
correct,
possible, then I will definitely use for it. But it should not cause any, even being organic, it should not cause any sort of harm to our internal part.
correct,
Because
yes,
see, this menstrual, what is this menstrual cycle is about? It is our capacity, it is our power to regenerate, to reproduce a human being. We bring a soul, a human being in this world, and that capacity, that mechanism, that power we have in our body. And I do respect it, and I don't want to cause any sort of harm from my side.
so
That's
true,
the
ma'am.
care I'm taking.
And
That's why
nobody can understand better than you, ma'am, because you have already faced all these issues, and then you are solving this major problem which every woman or every girl who is going to turn
yes,
into
yes.
a woman who is going to face it.
And if you know, nowadays little small little girls means fourth, fifth standard girls, they are hitting puberty and they are getting periods, and they are so small, they are so like छोटे बच्चे हैं रहती है, उनको कुछ पता भी नहीं रहता है, एंड दे आर सो दिस मीन्स पूरी तरह से क्या बोलते हैं, बहुत ही अल्लड़ रहती है। तो उनको ये उम्र में अगर उनको ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आ जाती है कि एवरी मंथ दे आर, तो अगर ये प्लास्टिक पैड यूज करती है या तो फिर टेम्पॉन्स या तो वॉट एवर, तो उनको कितना हार्मफुल, एंड देयर बॉडी स्टिल डेलिकेट।
Yes,
तो उनके लिए तो ये बहुत ही जरूरी है कि छोटे बच्चों के लिए जिनका अभी इनिशियली स्टार्ट हुआ है पीरियड्स, उनको ये जो बायोडिग्रेडेबल पैड्स है वो यूज करने बहुत ही जरूरी है, बिकॉज द होल बॉडी इज डेवलपिंग, इट इज नॉट
correct,
कम्प्लीटली डेवलप, एंड इट इज अंडर डेवलपमेंट। तो वो बहुत इंट्रिकेट रहते, बहुत डेलिकेट रहते, तो देयर इट शुड बी यूज मैक्सिमम।
करेक्ट मैम।
वहां पे टैम्पॉन या तो ये जो मेंस्ट्रुअल कप है, ये इस पे ना जाते हुए ये सैनिटरी डिग्रेडेबल पैड ही यूज होने जरूरी है. दैट्स व्हाट आई फील.
करेक्ट मैम, I got your point, ma'am. And ma'am, if in case anybody wants to get connected to you, or want to buy your sanitary pads or whatever products they want to buy it from you, how do they connect you, ma'am?
On Instagram is there,
Okay,
Facebook I have, and even I have contact number with
great.
you also.
Yeah, ma'am. So I'll be sharing everything, all the information of ma'am on my caption below. And tomorrow is, ma'am, the World Menstrual Hygiene Day, ma'am. So,
Yes, yes. Uh, I would rather I would throw some light on this. I have one product, vaginal cream,
okay,
that is specially for ladies, and it is completely Ayurvedic, and
okay,
it is made by Eve's Creation. That is another company from Pune,
okay,
and fantastic. This cream is very fantastic, and its working is very beautiful. It is rather antifungal, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and tomorrow the Mr. Stephen Garpure, he is the owner of this cream, founder of this company, and he's the manufacturer. He is going to have that webinar around 3:30 in the afternoon. So I would request all the ladies who are capable of attending, just attend that webinar and try to understand what our health is,
sure, ma'am.
why this intimacy cream is made, and why this is necessary. Because as we age, our parts, they start, body start uh, demoisture, means moisture
Correct.
कम होते जाता है. Even we suffer in vaginal tract also. Moisture जैसे ही कम होता है, we feel irritation, we feel that खुजली होती है, infection हो रहा है, ये हो रहा है. That cream is very important for that. Even because of रेगुलर इंटीमेसी, अपने जो मसल्स है, वजाइनल मसल, वो भी लूज हो जाते हैं, तो वो भी टाइटनिंग के लिए दिस क्रीम इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. So do connect, do listen to, do attend that webinar
Sure,
and
ma'am.
get some knowledge on our whole body,
Yes,
how it
yes,
works. और ये जो menstrual जो cycle है, it is very important, और उसकी बहुत ज्यादा केयर लेनी चाहिए, because it is not only physical thing happening, it is affecting mentally also,
yes,
it is
ma'am.
affecting emotionally also. क्योंकि बहुत सारी लेडीज को क्रैम्प्स आते हैं, कभी
Yes,
बहुत पेट में दर्द होते हैं, तो व्हाई इट इज हैपनिंग, देखिए गेट इरिटेटेड बिफोर मेंस्ट्रुअल, मींस एक्चुअली
yes,
जो
yes,
पीरियड्स चलने के पहले हमारे बहुत सारे हार्मोन्स बहुत सारे चेंज होते हैं, तो बॉडी की हीट बढ़ जाती है, अनइजीनेस आ जाती है, तो व्हाई इट इज हैपनिंग. तो तभी फैमिली मेंबर्स ने सपोर्ट करना वो लेडी को बहुत जरूरी है. सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर देयर. ये सब हमारे मेंटल हेल्थ, हमारी फिजिकल हेल्थ, ये सब पीरियड्स पे भी अफेक्ट करती है.
yes, ma'am.
किसी को बहुत ज्यादा ब्लीडिंग हो जाता है, तो किसी को होता ही.
Yes,
एंड फाइनली इट हैपेंस के बहुत सारे साइड इफेक्ट्स हमारे बॉडी पे फिर बाद में दिखने लगते हैं. एक तो हम लोग बहुत मोटे हो जाते हैं, या तो फिर बहुत दुबले पतले एनीमिक हो जाते हैं, सर्टन डिसीजेस कम्स आउट सरफेसेस. सो ये सब केयर्स, ये सब स्टडी होनी बहुत जरूरी
but we just ignore it, ma'am. We just ignore it, saying कि
है.
नहीं यार, walk नहीं हो रहा
Yes,
है, ये
fast
नहीं हो
paced
रहा है.
life is there, and yeah, all working women are there, but still we need to prioritize our health, because अपनी हेल्थ है तो वेल्थ है, हेल्थ इज
Yes,
वेल्थ.
yes,
तो थोड़ा ध्यान तो हमें उस पर भी देना ही चाहिए. दैट्स व्हाट आई
great.
फील.
That's a wonderful this, ma'am, and I'm sure I'm going to share the Zoom session as well as your information on my page as well. And thank you so
Thank you.
much, Preeti ma'am, for connecting with me today. And I'm sure you're gonna love the packaging which I'm gonna make for you. And
Yes,
I want to work with you for the entire lifespan of my time.
yeah, even I am eager to work with you,
Thank you, thank
because
you.
see, yeah, because this knowledge, these products, I want to take it globally because they are so good.
Yes,
It's not good there because they are my product and I'm appreciating. They are really good. Many of the ladies have appreciated it and it is working very good. So I do want all the ladies to use them and have comfort in this uneasy that 5 days period. And then for rest of the days, that intimacy cream is there. So they can
yes,
enjoy
ma'am.
their life.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Preeti ma'am. And I'm sure we have, many more questions which are going to pop up on our, viewers' mind, and they can surely ask her in comments. Or if you're not comfortable, you can always DM Preeti ma'am, or you can DM me. I will always forward the questions to her. And if you want, I
Yes,
can share her number also, so that anybody who wants to connect or collaborate with her for any events or wherever she wants to promote her, please do take her forward, and let's grow together.
yes. Thanks. Thanks, dear.
Thank you
Thanks.
so
Thank
much,
you very
ma'am. Thank you. It was
Yeah. Thanks
wonderful
for the
talking to you,
session.
ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Same
Bye,
here.
ma'am. Take care.
Bye. Bye.